In our previous videos, we learned about the simple present tense with to-be verbs. Now, we're focusing on action verbs. There are 4 ways to use the simple present tense with action verbs. But today, we'll focus on the first one. Don't worry, it's easy. We'll learn how to talk about things we do regularly. The first usage is habitual actions. We use the simple present tense to talk about actions that we do regularly or repeatedly. For example, she exercises every morning. This sentence means that she works out every morning. It's something she does regularly. Or here's another example. We visit our grandparents on Sundays. This means that every Sunday we go to see our grandparents. It's something we do every week. Or here's another example. She walks her dog after dinner every day. This sentence means that after eating every evening, she takes her dog for a walk. It's something she does every day as a routine. So to sum it up, we've just learned about one way we use the simple present tense with action verbs, talking about habitual actions, things we do regularly. For example, he reads books every night means that he reads every single night like a routine. Remember, this is just the first way we use the simple present tense with action verbs. If you have any questions about what we have covered in this video, feel free to ask your questions. And stay tuned for the next video where we'll explore the second way we use the simple present tense with action verbs.